ayan guys, let's unbox something I ordered in Amazon Prime. So, tingnan natin kung magustuhan ko ba ito. Here is... Uy! Oh yeah! Something for my phone. So, we will see. Kasi nasira ng na-scratch na siya. Okay, let's try this. Simple lang siya. Oh yeah. Oh, it's stand. Oh yeah. Pasensya marumi ang aking diba? Ang ganda. I'm using my phone. Very nice. Light lang siya. Purple color. My favorite color. It's... Oh, yan. I-try na. Yan. Maganda siya kay you can still yan, i-stand siya. Tapos, pag i-charge mo sa mga machine dyan. Like this. Nice. Guys, i-try natin. Let's wipe it. Diba maganda din? Let's try this. Easy fit. Oh, that's nice. Oh yes, I love it, darling. Hoy, atcho pug ko ba? Anyway, wa na pugi ang atcho guys. So mao na to. So that's it. I love it. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. I can use like this. So it holds stands. So tada, oh diba? Thank you guys. Ayan, this is my old one. Kaya lang, ganahan din gahapon ko kaso nasira kasi ang ring tapos hindi na siya matanggal ang tigas. Cutean pa naman ako. Tapos makapal siya sa aking tripod holder. So, nag-try lang ako sa bago ko. So, yan. Maganda talaga siya. Silicone and it's very light and durable. So, ganyan lang. Pwede stand like this. Yan. Pwede din medyo slide siya. It's strong. So, I love it. So, ayan, I ordered that online. It cost me $19.99 minus $2 coupon and free shipping. So, that's it for now, guys. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.